In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report phishing emails in Outlook quickly and safely, so you can help protect your account and also help Microsoft improve spam and phishing filters for everyone. If you've ever received a suspicious email that looks a little off, this is one of the most important skills you can learn. It only takes a few seconds, and it can make a real difference. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Look for the email that seems suspicious. This could be an email with a strange sender address, urgent language, unexpected attachments, or a message asking you to click a link or enter personal information. Before you do anything else, select the email. You don't need to open it fully if you don't want to. Just click on it once so it's highlighted. Next, look at the top ribbon in Outlook. You should see a report button, and in many versions, it appears as a shield icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the message view where the toolbar is visible. Once you find the report button, click it. A menu should appear with different reporting options. From that menu, choose Report Phishing. This tells Outlook that the message is not just junk or spam, but an actual phishing attempt. After you select Report Phishing, Outlook will remove the message from your inbox. That's because reporting it helps delete the suspicious email from your view, so you don't accidentally interact with it later. At the same time, Microsoft receives the report and uses that information to improve its protection systems and filter similar threats in the future. That means every time you report a phishing email, you're not only protecting yourself, but also helping protect other Outlook users. Now, a very important tip. If an email looks suspicious, don't click links. Don't download attachments, and don't reply to the sender. Even if the message looks like it came from a company you know, phishing emails often use fake branding and convincing language to trick people. If you're ever unsure, it's better to report first and verify later. Also, keep in mind that the report phishing option may look slightly different depending on whether you're using Outlook on the web, the desktop app, or a work or school account. But the basic process is the same. Select the email, click Report, and choose Report Phishing. That's all there is to it. Once you've done this a few times, it becomes a fast habit that can seriously improve your email security. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there by reporting suspicious emails before they become a problem.